It is Inspiration 92.3 FM. If you're just tuning in, welcome. Good to have you. You're just in good time because I have a guest in the studio. His name is Lukman Otunuga. Did I click correctly? Otunuga. Yes, Otunuga. Did I just do that? Okay, so you're from FXTM.
Yes.
Awesome. Now you're going to tell us a little. Now, let's start from the very beginning. Now the Nigerian economy and the Naira has actually faced quite some tough times recently, right? With the country, sliding into recession. What do you see happening in the next? For the rest of 2016?
Unfortunately, when you say that, we are indeed in tough times. If you look at the recent figures, unemployment is at 13%. Inflation has skyrocketed to 17.6% in August. It's becoming increasingly clear that oil export-dependent countries have been heavily pressured by the low oil prices. And when you look at Nigeria, which is heavily export-dependent, we understand why Nigeria is based in this position. Now, when you factor in that over 90% of export revenues and 70% of government revenues come from oil prices, which are now balancing around $46.50, we can understand why Nigeria is under pressure right now. Now, looking at 2016, I still feel it's quite short-term, and Nigeria could still be exposed to some external risks. Ongoing uncertainty in the global economy, oil price volatility, and a potential resurgent dollar if the Federal Reserve raises US rates once more in December.
Wow, so do you think the situation will improve, or...?
Realistically speaking, things may stay stable right now. For us to see some improvement, it could probably take a few years.
Okay. So earlier in the year, the federal government actually devalued the Naira, right? What impact has this had on the dollar to Naira exchange? On the interbank and parallel market? In your personal opinion, was this the right call?
Let me give you an example. So 3 months ago when I came to Nigeria and I bought a bag of rice for 9,000 Naira, the same bag of rice is almost 19,000 Naira.
It's 20 actually.
Oh, it's even increased to 20,000. So this is the effect of the flotation. So in the short term, the flotation has punished people in Nigeria.
Wow.
But in the bigger picture, I still feel that having a Naira that's floating has actually increased foreign investment. So in a 3 months period of the flotation, we've actually seen over 1 billion in foreign revenues coming back into Nigeria.
Okay. I don't know if that's a good thing to smile about. So there's the up and the downside of it. Let's talk about oil. Oil is a key commodity for the Nigerian economy. Without saying, how has the decline in oil prices affected the economy?
Well, we can see the direct impact right now. Nigeria is in a technical recession, and it all goes to saying that the main income for Nigeria was oil prices, which are trading from the highs of over $100 to now just balancing at $46.50. Well, in the long term, I still feel Nigeria has a chance to come back up. Everybody's talking about diversification. If you look at all other oil export nations like Saudi Arabia, they took the initiative to diversify, and they weren't as affected with the oil price shocks. So when I look at Nigeria, I see a country with a population that's over 180 million and a fertile land. I look at agriculture. So agriculture could be the way for Nigeria to step out of this hole in the future.
Is that what is the short term? What can the government do in the short term? You talked about the long term. It does make sense, but with short term, what happens?
So in the short term, the Central Bank of Nigeria could actually follow other major central banks. We currently live in an era of central bank caution. If you look at the Federal Reserve, the Bank of Japan, the Bank of England, everybody's on standby, everybody's on edge, and this is exactly what the CBN did a few days back when they decided to keep Nigerian interest rates at 14%. So I still think in the short term, they may look at more domestic data before taking action, probably November, December.
Okay, if you're just tuning in, it is Inspiration 92.3 FM. I've got with me in the studio Lukman Otunuga. He is a research analyst of FXTM. Okay, now as a global forex broker, what international economic events should Nigerians be keeping an eye out for? In terms of trading the markets.
2016 has been a roller coaster ride for the global markets.
You can say that again.
Many things happening. We've seen the Federal Reserve, which has become a main theme. The dollar has a strong impact on the Nigerian economy. The Brexit fears, the Brexit that happened a few months ago, that uncertainty, especially for Nigerians who live in the UK sending money to Nigeria. That could have an impact. We're looking at emerging markets. Emerging markets are also pressure. And the other thing I'm looking at is stock markets, the stock market sell-off that's pending.
Okay, so do you think there's still a chance that the Fed could raise investment rates this year?
There's a strong possibility that the Federal Reserve may take action in December. If you keep in mind that last year, this is the central bank that promised the global markets that they would raise US rates 4 times in 2016.
True.
And so far, we haven't seen anything.
True.
So probably as a form to save face and keep credibility, they may take action once more in December.
Okay, let's look at something else. From your perspective as a market analyst, which currencies and commodities should Nigerians be looking forward towards, as we close 2016?
The commodities and currencies I'm looking forward to, and Nigerians as well, is the dollar,
okay,
the sterling, oil, and gold. So this is why I've come to this conclusion.
You say it again. The dollar,
the sterling,
pound sterling, yes,
oil, and gold.
Okay, tell me why.
So, of course, with the dollar, there's expectations that the central bank, Fed, may take action in December. That could encourage bullish investors to send the dollar higher. So I'm bullish on the dollar for 2016.
Okay.
With the sterling, the Brexit anxieties, investors are scared of the value of the sterling.
True.
So sterling weakness is a key theme. As of now, actually, the sterling is the worst performing currency in the majors right now. So sterling
in the majors?
Yes.
Okay, because not in Nigeria.
No, not in Nigeria. In the majors. So sterling weakness could be something key in 2016. Looking at oil prices, we all know what the problem with oil prices is. It's oversupply concerns.
Yes.
Simple economics. When supply is more than demand, of course, prices will fall.
True.
We have the OPEC meeting coming up in a few weeks.
Yes.
And if it concludes unsuccessfully, oil prices could trade lower. And this is something Nigerians could look at.
Wow.
And looking at gold now, uncertainty is still a key theme in the global markets. Everybody's on edge. Even though the dollar may actually pressure gold, risk aversion is still rife, and this could actually cause gold to trade higher in the longer term. So
it's the dollar, pound sterling, oil, and gold.
Exactly.
Are you learning something? If you are not, I don't know what you're doing. Get a pen and paper or something. It's Inspiration 92.3 FM. I'm still talking to Lukman Otunuga. Now, FXTM, you've recently had a series of educational events in Abuja, I hear. These events are basically on how the trade markets, how to trade the markets, and how Nigerians can benefit from attending events such as this. Why is FXTM investing in trade education?
So put simply, we want to enable local traders to achieve their trading goals. Nigerians are really embracing the world of forex trading, and to support their ambitions, we have developed a range of engaging trading seminars and informative online educational resources.
Okay.
Education is crucial to becoming a well-rounded trader who can balance the opportunities and risks presented in the markets.
Okay.
That's why at FXTM we provide extensive educational resources covering both fundamental and technical analysis so traders can carefully hone their strategies. We also understand that a trader's education never ends, which is why we provide education resources and training for all experience levels from beginners right up to advanced traders.
Okay. For those who missed out on these educational events, will you be holding any other seminars this year?
So yes, we plan on running a series of similar events in Lagos at the start of October, so traders should keep an eye on our website at www.fxtm.com for more details.
All right. I hear, I'm looking at a card here. Do you want to tell us about this card that I'm looking at?
Yeah, so on Saturday, FXTM is holding a grand event. This would be in the FXTM Nigeria Gala dinner in Lagos. The location will be at Classic Event Palace, Oregonikeja, Paul Hall. Everybody's invited. This event would educate the FXTM Nigerian clients. I'll be speaking about the markets. We'll keep it personal, so in this event you get to see what FXTM is doing in Nigeria, and any questions in the FX markets are there to be answered.
So is there going to be a question and answer segment?
Yes.
Okay. What are FXTM's plans for the rest of 2016 and of course beyond, but for 2016 for starters, what are your plans for the rest of it?
So 2016 has already been a busy year so far. We look to expand our global footprint and protect and product range.
Okay.
So we have landed a number of new places and services, including the FXTM Shares account, FXTM Invest, our investment and copy trading program, which has been proven to be partially popular with Nigerian traders. In fact, 35% of FXTM Invest top managers are Nigerians.
Oh.
We are also constantly working on developing innovative solutions and providing cutting-edge technology. For example, we have landed a new version of the FXTM application, which offers easy and fast access to the world of trading. In terms of our plans for the rest of the year, we are expanding educational programs that are catered to all levels of expertise.
I see what your plans are, but I'm going to ask you again about your event this weekend, right? Is this weekend, this Saturday?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So how can people be a part of the event?
So to be a part of the website, simply go to www.fxtm.com.
Say that again slowly, please.
www.fxtm.com.
Okay.
On the website, you could subscribe. We have there's details of the event. So all you need to do is put your details, and you could contact the FXTM Nigerian office on 0003 457 3593 for more information.
You ran. See, people are writing this down, so you have to be slow and steady. Take your time. Please, the number again.
So to contact us, you can contact us on 0803
Okay.
457 3593.
Okay, I'm going to do you one favor and call out that number for you one more time. It's 0803 457 3593. Okay, and you said the event is this weekend. Where is the location once more?
So the location will be at the Classic Event Palace,
Okay.
Overgrown Ikeja, Pearl Hall.
Awesome stuff. Thank you so much. Is there anything I'm leaving out? Is there something else you'd like us to know?
It's great to be in the amazing land of Nigeria. This is my motherland. I am Nigerian. I was born here many years back, so it's good to be back.
Awesome stuff. I've been talking to Lukman Otunuga, and he's a research analyst at FXTM. Thank you so much for coming into the studio.